Money doesn't come by wishing and hoping that you're going to be rich. Money does not come to people who wish they could make money. It comes by taking action. So when you think and come up with a valuable idea, you must back that idea up with action. You want to trim down, you want to slim down, you want to lose excess fat, but all you do is eat every food you find in front of you. You eat and eat and eat, and all you do is think and fantasize about a slim, beautiful physique. Thinking about being slim will not make you slim. To get your dream body, you must be ready to work. Put in the work, grind day and night, so that your dream of a fitter and slimmer body would not remain only but a dream. You must put in the work to achieve your physical goals. Making money is not any different. You can't just sit and be fantasizing about making money. You have to brainstorm. You have to discuss with like-minded people. You have to come up with a plan. Identify a particular need. Look at your quality. Think about your quality and your attributes. Think about a problem that you can solve. If you can identify a problem that you have the talents, the know-how, or the connection to solve, then you wouldn't have any problems making money. Today we live in a digital age. The whole world is like a global village. There are so many ideas that you can come up with, because everything you see in the physical world today was first of all conceived in the heart of somebody. You have to be creative. You have to think, get an idea, then get like-minded people, discuss with them, then take action. Gone are the days when you need to have a brick and mortar office or a shop to run your business. We are in the age of technology. Everything is driven by technology. With a smartphone or an internet-enabled device, you can run your business from any corner of the world. Money is what you get in return for helping someone fix something or do something. In other words, money is a byproduct of the service you render. Nobody is going to give you their money unless you're helping them do something. Entrepreneurs are problem solvers. That's who they are. Femi Otedola, Elon Musk, Mark Zuckerberg, Aliko Dangote. These are some of the richest men in the world, and they are all problem solvers. Entrepreneurs and businessmen work round the clock to solve problems for people, and what they get in return is money. So if you want to make money, you do not waste time. You work round the clock thinking, strategizing, trying to identify a problem that you can fix for people so that you can get money in return for it. So if all you do is to quickly jump in your bed so that you can dream and start thinking of making money without taking any action, you are simply wasting your time. I would rather waste money than waste time. Because with money, you can always tell how much you have left, but you can never tell how much time you have left. Money wasted today can be gotten back tomorrow in 100 folds. Or time wasted is gone forever. Think.